Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, coming at you from Massachusetts. And I am here on Saturday, September 4th, 2021, with another envelope of goodies for my friends across the miles junk journal. Okay? And this is from Miss Beth Schuler. Look at that. She's got a dragonfly, a bird, another bird here, butterfly washi tape. I love you too, Miss Beth. Let's see what she has inside here. And on the front side, this is what she has. Live well, love, laugh often, love much. And I like the stem that she has on here. And there's something else in here that I saw. Ooh, looks like a butterfly and a bee. Okay, so we have this flower sticker. We have some, ooh, napkins. We have that napkin. We have this beautiful napkin. We have this, oh, lemons with, it looks like this napkin looks like a notebook paper almost. And then we have this one. And we have this one here. We have some more stickers. A jar of honey, a bee, a beehive, a, a spoon of honey, the honeycomb, and the word honey with a bee on it. Oh, and she has a little worry doll. Oh, that is so cute. And then we have this napkin that has a beehive on it with a whole bunch of botanicals on it. Oh, another little worry doll. They are so cute. So tiny, I don't think I would be able to make those. Here's two more bees. Then we have a rocket, a napkin with bees on it. And then we have this. It says, be yourself, just be awesome. And it's got some bees on it. I think I have a few ideas what to do for her page. So, I want to thank you all for watching. And please be kind, be happy, be crafty, be blessed. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please do hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. Also, love and light to all. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.